This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean source file and getting it into your captioning tool. First, make sure your video is uploaded to the service or opened in the editor. This ensures accurate timestamps. Next, pick whether you'll auto-generate captions to save time or import an existing SRT or VTT for precision. Once done, enable the platform's caption feature so the system knows to process subtitles. This first action gets you immediately into caption creation rather than setup delays. Now focus on the middle work, creating and refining the text. If you used auto-generate, play through and correct misheard words because automated tools often stumble on names and acronyms. Then fine-tune timestamps so captions appear with speech. Shift start or end times by 0, 1, 0, 5 seconds as needed. Also split long lines for readability and add speaker labels or non-speech cues like music and laughs. Make sure punctuation clarifies meaning. This reduces confusion for viewers, and finish by exporting and deploying the captions. Save the corrected transcript as SRT or VTT with the same frame rate as the video, then upload it to the hosting platform and enable the closed captions or subtitles option so viewers can toggle them. Once uploaded, verify playback on desktop and mobile, mute the video to confirm captions match speech, and test different speeds. Troubleshooting tip: if captions are out of sync, re-export using the platform's timecode offset tool or shift timestamps in your editor by whole seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.